Unbox with me. Best subscription box. Come and get ready with me in IPSY January BoxyCharm. Oh, for a gorgeous Midi palette. Go over with the foundation brush and look at the stunning results. Wet side and dry side. Pillow Talk highlight. And I will just blend that right on the higher points. Go in with my fingers. How blinding she is. Highlight onto the higher points and warm that up. And this beautiful eyeliner duo, the VC Collection Island eyeliner in Sancho, and this beautiful black, so creamy. Soften out the line, smoke it out just like this. Island Collection in Perla. Next, the Amazing Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and it lifts and curls your lashes. And whoa, Benefit Curve Setting Formula holds for 12 hours. Love the wand. And Koei Life Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. Reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Cleanse, hydrate, and glow. MZ Skin Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And that's the texture over my complexion. Although you're supposed to use it on clean skin, soften the skin underneath. Pat into skin.